All right, y'all, today's video, we're making spaghetti, but not just any kind of spaghetti. We're making turkey spaghetti. So we're doing ground turkey, lean turkey, and then we sauteed our onion with our olive oil, and we're gonna be adding some garlic in there as well. And we did our seasoning. So we're gonna be adding garlic. We added some, all right, so we did put our spices. We added onion powder, garlic salt, conies, black pepper.
Oh, the peppers!
And so we're just kind of letting it cook right now. I'm gonna go ahead and add the garlic now that the meat is kind of broken up. And then we're gonna get our water for our noodles. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and add our garlic. My helper here, Christian, has put the water on the stove, or he didn't put the water on the stove, but we added water to the pot and added to the stove. We're gonna add our garlic. You like the smell of it? It's a nice savory smell. Then we're just gonna kind of mix everything. All right, my helper's gonna put a little bit of salt in there for our noodles. Just a little bit. Come on, shake it. Shake it. There we go, that's good. Just a little shake. That's gonna help the water boil a little bit faster, okay? All right, Christian, what's next?
We need to put the noodles in.
Yep, we gotta wait for it to boil and then we get All right, guys, so we are waiting for the meat to kind of get cooking all the way. We're waiting for our water to boil so we can add our noodles. And then we're gonna be adding, what are we gonna be adding to the meat, Christian? You wanna tell them what we're adding to the meat?
The water and we're going to add the ketchup.
The
Sauce.
pasta sauce.
Pasta sauce.
Yeah,
But add the pasta sauce.
And then we're gonna be adding some fire roasted diced tomatoes, and it does have garlic in there as well. And our spaghetti will be almost done. What is that for?
Yeah.
So this is what we're gonna strain our noodles and our meat in. So as soon as mommy is, once the meat finishes, we're gonna put it in here, shake all the excess, grease and water out, and then we're gonna put our sauce, and then we're gonna put our tomatoes in there. And then when the noodles finish, we're gonna do the same thing, and we're going to put it back in the pot, so that way we can put all the spaghetti together. We're also going to add a little bit of some natural cane sugar. Now usually I don't do traditional. I usually go with either mushroom, something that has more chunky vegetables in it, but we're going with this. That looks good. I'm just gonna add a little bit of sugar.